video, you know, slow it down. Don't do that to me. Cha-ching. Like, I think of a shimmery green when I think of money, period. It's like because I don't like that. Don't mess with my OCD. Because I was like, look, this video.
Disrespect her like blatantly. Shoot a type, pop off online, we pop up where you sleep. Buzz out in a temple. Say a prayer, pay the tide, get it back to the phone. Bitch, wanna ride.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? It's Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, yada dun dada, however you want to know me. It is your girl. Come on in, lovely. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be reviewing and doing a tutorial on the Colourpop Limoncello eyeshadow palette. I also purchased one of their Luxe glosses, and I'm super excited to give you guys my thoughts and opinions. If you guys would like to see how I created this look right here, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang. I got my Limoncello palette from Colourpop. Now, I was only able to get the palette in a Luxe lip gloss. The packaging is just so beautiful. It has lemons on it with these blue flowers, but it's like a muted yellow, and I just love that. It has the laminated names on the back of this. It also has the Limoncello in gold and Colourpop in gold as well. And I love this little holographic feature for the words, and it's like a 3D writing, so I really love that. And also the Luxe lip gloss, the packaging is still the same. The Luxe has a gold 3D holographic print on it as well, and the name on it is at the bottom. I got the shade Gelato. The box is really cute. I definitely want to keep these. Packaging on the palette is so similar to the box packaging. It has the same printing and everything, even with the gold holographic 3D lettering. And the only thing I can say is it definitely feels really thick. So it feels thicker than their other 12 pan eyeshadow palettes, but it's also bigger. I don't think I have a Colourpop eyeshadow palette that's this big. All of their other 12 pan eyeshadow palettes are about this size. I'm not really sure why they did that. I hope they come out with more palettes that are this size, so this could go with something, you know. I love that it has a little lemon right here on the corner of the mirror, and then here are the shades right here. Now the pan sizes definitely look a lot larger, so that's a good thing. That could be why they gave us so much space. So yeah, if I had to complain with Colourpop when it comes to anything, I would say that their pan sizes, I think their pan sizes are actually great. I don't even understand why they made them bigger for this palette. So yeah, they do give us more product. guys, so this is the final look. This is the look that I came up with. So as you can tell in the tutorial, I kind of had a little bit of issues with getting my lashes on, so I kind of had to go back and fix my eyeshadow because I got glue on my lid. I hate when that happens. It happens oh so often. As far as the packaging and everything like that, I must say I really love the packaging. Colourpop, whoever is in charge of the visuals and everything when it comes to like the packaging and these palettes, they do an absolutely amazing job with getting beautiful, like gag worthy art on their palettes. I love that about Colourpop. So when it comes to just the packaging in general, if we're giving it a 1 out of 10, I would definitely have to give it a 9. I'm going to give it a 9 simply because it's a little bit bigger than the other 12 eyeshadow palettes and it's a little bit thicker. I love the thickness of it. I also actually love how big it is, but I guess I don't like that majority of their 12 pan eyeshadow palettes are not this big. So it's like, are you guys going to be doing this with all of your 12 pan eyeshadow palettes now? Because if you are, I'm okay with it. But if this is like the only one that is going to be this big, I'm going to leave a bad review. Because I don't like that. Don't mess with my freaking anxiety, okay? Don't mess with my OCD. Don't do that to me. So yeah, that's the only reason why I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 on the packaging. I love this packaging. I love that muted lemon color. I love the lemons and the flowering and just the color selection in general on this palette specifically. So when we talking about the color story and everything, well, I also have to give it an A+ for the mirror. You guys, I love a mirror, okay? And I also love like the little art that's right here on the corner of the mirror. Now when we're talking about the color story in general, you guys, I actually wanted to go ahead and get this palette because the color story was so interesting to me. One, I love lemons, but the way that they were willing and able to incorporate this blue color here on the corner ultimately is what sold me. I'm not gonna lie, because I love the colors in this palette already. Let's be real, a lot of these colors we already have in our makeup collection, right? But this blue right here, this is not an everyday average blue. Like, this is not a blue, you know, the everyday girl would have in her collection. So the fact that they were able to incorporate all of these warm tone natural shades and then just slap this blue right here, I loved that about this palette. I don't really care for the eye makeup look that I came up with specifically because I think it was a little rushed, and then on top of that, you guys, I'm a little bit under the weather, so it took me way longer to make this video than it takes me to wait to make other videos, simply because I have to stop a lot and really just check my sinuses and everything, you know. That was a thing. I'm going to be using this palette a lot because, again, like I said, the color story is just absolutely beautiful. How they have Capri right here, this like money shade. You know, I like to call it a money shade because it's like a shimmery green. And you know, like when I think of money, I think of like shimmer, like cha-ching. Like I think of a shimmery green when I think of money, period. So yeah, love that. You know, I just this entire palette is just giving me the everyday natural girl vibes that I need. So I love that they were able and willing to do that. And then this retails for $18. Not really here for like the price point, girl. You know, slow it down, okay? We didn't ask you to make it this thick, and we also did not ask you to make it that long. So don't be trying to, you know what I'm saying, charge us the extra cents that it took you to do that. We can keep things, you know, $15, $16. Also, another thing that I really like about this palette is that they do have bigger pan sizes. But again, like I said, hold on, pause. If you guys are gonna chuck up the price on these because you're doing that, stop doing it, because I'm okay with the other pan size that you guys have on all your other 12 pan eyeshadow palettes, okay? Just throwing it out there. Also, want to throw this out there, if y'all plan on doing all of the 12 pan eyeshadow palettes like this, cool. If this is the only one like this, I'm really annoyed by that. Anyway, so yeah, love. So here's what I can say about the Luxe lip gloss. I love the color, love the formula. Same fun, silky, glossy lip gloss that Colourpop offers in their Luxe collection. You know, just some of their colors are starting to look really similar in my opinion. Wow, Zaza, in my video. Okay, but yeah, so I mean, they look a little bit similar, but not really. I guess the Bengal is like a little bit more of a pinky tone, whereas this one is a lot more like peachy. I don't know, like to me they look a lot similar. When you swatch them inside the packaging, they do look a little bit different. So yeah, that is really everything that I wanted to talk about in this video, you guys. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys are interested in this. Also, you know what I'm saying, let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on the color story, because like I like that. I think that everybody have these colors in their collection, but that pop of blue is literally like, it's like one, you know what I'm saying, maybe not, you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.